On January 24, 2023, emergency services were called to 47 Summer Street in Duxbury, Massachusetts. 3 young children had been fatally injured inside the family home. Their mother, Lindsay Clancy, is not disputing that she caused their deaths. The central issue at trial is whether she was legally criminally responsible at the time. Before examining the timeline and evidence, it helps to understand the property itself. The photographs shown here come from a real estate listing created several years before the incident. They are not crime scene photographs, and the furniture and decoration may have changed before January 2023. However, the photographs allow us to identify the main structure, rooms, and exterior features of the house. The original 2-story section sits beside a later garage and entrance extension. The formal front entrance is positioned near the centre of the original building. A second entrance beside the garage appears to connect to the kitchen and mudroom area, and may have been the entrance the family used more regularly. At the rear are the garden, deck, and an exterior bulkhead leading toward the basement. Based on the surviving listing photographs, the ground floor can be reconstructed approximately. The living room occupies one side of the original house. The kitchen and dining area occupy the opposite side and connect toward the garage extension. A bathroom and central hallway sit between the main rooms. The precise position and direction of the staircase are not visible in the available listing photographs. A doorway in the central hall may have provided internal basement access, but that remains an architectural inference rather than a confirmed fact. Upstairs, the available photographs support an approximate arrangement of 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a landing, and the staircase. The 2 children's bedrooms appear to occupy the garage side of the upper floor. One can be identified by a skylight visible from the front roof slope. The second has ordinary windows facing 2 sides of the property. The primary bedroom appears to occupy the opposite, chimney-side section of the house. Trial testimony identifies a second-floor window at the rear of the primary bedroom as the window through which Lindsay Clancy exited the house. The public listing photographs do not clearly show that window from inside the room. The 2 windows visible beside the bed may face the side of the property, while the rear-facing window may sit outside the camera's view. Because the courtroom exhibits are not included here, the exact interior orientation should be treated as unresolved. The basement is central to the events, but its detailed layout cannot be reconstructed from the public property listing. The rear exterior photographs appear to show a bulkhead entrance and small foundation-level windows. Trial testimony also indicates that the basement could be reached from inside the house. Until an official diagram or court exhibit is available, the basement should be shown only as an unidentified lower-level space, not as a detailed room-by-room reconstruction. Throughout this series, confirmed evidence will be separated from architectural inference and unresolved questions. The aim is not to decide the case through social media speculation, but to explain what was actually presented in court.